Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I think we're gonna go out and fix a little bit of an exhaust leak that I have. I've been running the Tomei, as you saw in my last video, and you know, so far it's been good, but there's a problem where it meets with the downpipe and it's leaking. I've tried a bunch of things. I'm gonna go get a regular gasket and you know, shove that in there, see if that'll make it stop leaking. I don't know, but after I get that fixed, I'm gonna go out and drive it for you guys and let you guys hear how the drone is and like just hear how it sounds inside the car. We'll put the windows down and cruise around, and then we're gonna go check out my new daily and see what that's gonna need to get back on the road. Real quick update on the Subi, since you guys haven't seen it in a while. We broke 150,000 miles on the chassis, which, you know, kind of sucks, but at the same time, you know, you buy the cars to drive them, whatever. I'll try and make it to 1 million if I have to. The car's in good shape, so there's no need to really worry. Also, I got an ACT 6-puck clutch installed, which is capable of holding around 800 horsepower for the future build. It isn't horrible. You'd think it'd be worse to drive, but it isn't that bad. It chatters a little bit on takeoff, which you might hear it here. Nope, you didn't. All right, it's breaking in, but if you guys also look out the window, winter is over, just about. So we put the wheels on. I got a new set of Toyos, and I got the wheels ceramic coated. We went with the 255 this time, so it doesn't poke as much as opposed to the 275s we had on there. But I'll show you guys what it looks like when we get out of the car. Bailey, come, sit. Give me paw. Girl, get the wheels on. We don't have the tire letters on yet, which are coming in the mail, but as far as sticking out, it really is not as bad as it was with these 255 tires, which, I mean, it's cool and all. When I get the tires on, the tire letters on, that'll really, you know, I'll really be able to tell then. But yeah, they ride good, they look good. They're ceramic coated by my friend Brett. He's really good. If you guys are looking for a detail or anything, let him know. I don't think I can go much lower. I mean, once I get the tire letters on, it'll really help it with the track look, but right now it looks kind of like a monster truck, but if I go any lower, it might rub. I haven't done any camber yet. I'm debating whether I want to do that or not, but yeah, as far as it goes, that's what it looks like right now. But we're gonna jack this thing up, see if the exhaust is leaking where I think it is. Car is jacked up. Sucks I had to do it in the middle of the street. I just started the car and I got underneath it, and usually right here you can see where the downpipe meets with the catback. This is where I usually had the leak, and this is where I originally thought it was, but this only has a really small leak, not even really noticeable. Up here is where it looks like I'm having a leak. So hopefully all I have to do is loosen this clamp, maybe try and shove the exhaust, like push it together a little bit, and then retighten that clamp super tight. Hopefully it doesn't break or anything, because I'm screwed. Hopefully that's it, and we get this thing on the road again. Tomei looks really good, and it sounds really good. It's just these exhaust leaks need to be fixed for good. And you know, I thought about welding it, but in order to get the exhaust off, if I ever needed to, I'd have to have it up on a lift, because you have to maneuver this downpipe a lot to be able to get it out from the turbo. It was a thought, it was an idea. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but we'll see. Alright, so that leak is actually fixed. I guess that was all it was. This one right here has a little bit, like the slightest bit. This is where I usually have the problem, what I said before. But I don't think that's an issue right here. And then back here, I think we're pretty good too. We're pretty solid on these. I'm gonna give it a couple revs. Whoa, what up, Bay? just wasted $7 in that gasket. I think that's all it was, just that clamp. That was definitely it. Well, good thing I got the receipt. We're gonna get this thing down. I'm gonna show you guys the daily actually in a minute, and then take this thing out for a little drive. I think I have, yep, check this out. Got the POV hat. We'll go out, drive around. You guys can hear the car from the inside. Do a couple pulls. It sounds really good without an exhaust leak. It sounds really good. With an exhaust leak, it sounds horrible. Here it is, the daily. So this here is not the daily, because this one here, oh, I guess you can't see past the rad. There's no engine in this car. Okay, I got this car for 200 bucks with a blown motor. Just got rid of the motor, and I'm planning on getting a new one eventually. This could be like a little budget build car. Literally $200. I mean, it's got its dings and scratches and whatnot, whatever, but it's manual. It's got a nice interior, everything. So this could be a little budget build. Bad boy right here. This will be perfect for the channel, I think. This is a 1998 Toyota 4Runner. Not really much damage on it. It could use some paint on the roof and whatnot. You guys can see it's peeling. It's got some clear coat peel. It has its little things. It's a 1998. It has almost 300,000 miles. I want to make sure everything underneath the car, you know, you got your rust. Just got to figure out what needs replaced. Brakes, it needs brakes, which I already have. It's gonna need suspension, which I plan on just getting a lift kit for it, 3-inch lift kit. Needs an exhaust, which is probably an easy fix. It runs. I'm gonna get a compression test done on it and everything. These Toyotas are crazy, man. They run forever. I think it'll be sweet when it's done. I have big plans for it. I'm gonna lift it, big tires, not go really crazy, but it's gonna look sick. That'll be fun for the channel. Definitely be fun for the channel. Then I can put the Subi down for some construction. Probably push somewhere around 800 and then go from there. Let's take the Subi out and see how this Tomei sounds. I was going to break out the FPV cam, but I think we're just gonna roll with the windshield mount for now. I think that'll be good enough for today, and we are good to go. It's finally getting nice out. Wait a minute. 60 degrees? My car says 60 degrees. It's probably not exactly that hot, but that's nice out for, wow, that's really nice. Yep, exhaust leak is fixed. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Right when I would hit boost at like 3 grand, it would do this nasty, like raspy, it would just make me like, it's embarrassing to drive. Like, it's that embarrassing. Like, it just makes me feel like yuck. It's weird, but it does. It does it a little bit. I just hit boost right there. I don't know. It's been tricky with this exhaust. It's been really tricky, but we're gonna make it work. If I have to get under there again, I'll do it. It's supposed to be nice this week. So 60s, 70s, I'm down for that. And it's car weather. Work on cars. I'm thinking I might have to go a little bit tighter on that clamp. I might have to go a couple more turns. It's tricky when I'm driving the car. I didn't have anybody to rev it while I was under there, so it's kind of hard to find where the leak is still coming from, besides that little one that's in the exhaust where I showed you guys. But I think for now it's good. We'll see how it goes down the road. As far as sound, I love the Tomei. It sounds good. It sounds really good inside. One of my biggest complaints with the Tomei exhaust is the exhaust leaks. They're dumb. They're dumb. Like, I'm about to just get in there and weld them. Say screw it and just weld it. Right now I'm cruising 6th gear, doing 70, and it's just like I can still talk. I kind of gotta yell think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Short and sweet for you guys. Nothing too crazy, just, you know, fixing the exhaust. Typical. It's good to be back into it. I haven't made a video in like 3 months. It's been too cold. I didn't want to do anything. I was just been lazy, and here I am. If you guys like today's video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more content for the Subi, for the new 4Runner, that'll be cool. That'll be a fun build. Then hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.